Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now Marcia is saying that we're not supposed to trouble our man phone and go in them phone because in these times she's saying that men are hard to find. She's saying that there's a limitation on men. There's a lot of women around and just a limited number of men to fulfill the purpose or for one-on-one basically. So Marcia is saying that there's not enough men for one woman to have one man and one man to have one woman. So basically she's saying that to every man there's 2 or 3 women and 2 or 3 women, and so she's saying that basically, we're not supposed to find something, try to find what's hiding. If the man is cheating, we're not supposed to try to find it and stir up his head, because that's only going to cause us problem in the end. So go ahead and catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe now. And as you already know, you got your
that is all. Yes, my dear. Good afternoon. I wish part you there. I which country you there? Eh? I which country you there? Yes, so that is how it is. So I'm going to I am going to drop off empty my truck. So when me empty my truck, if there's anything on the see, we just pick it out and come and shop. We don't have the time to focus on locals right now. So you could have left 99 messages for my phone. Me nah listen to none of them. Because if I don't listen to them, I don't have to come and elaborate on it. He said, see no evil and hear no evil. That is it. So that is what life is all about. Sometimes it's because of the things them that we hear. That is what cause us to do things. And when we got trouble things, like, someone on their home, and when got trouble on a husband phone, and going at the phone, on a life was all right, when we're doing good, but till you go search. And when you go search now, that is when life turn upside down. So sometimes you have to hear and deaf and see and blind. And when it comes to life situation right now, especially when it comes to relationship, as somebody who has been married 2 times and live with boyfriend, with baby father for many years and date other people, we have to learn nowadays that man are Russian. And they have choices. And remember that these things are out there, that they're bold. They're out there. They have choices. And because they have choices nowadays, pussy don't mean nothing to them. You understand? Them I said, listen, if you don't want to give me pussy, then make you get one dick. I'm keeping it real. So nowadays, I'm telling the wife, them with their woman, the girlfriend, who have an established man, if there is no problem in the ants nest, if you dig up the ants nest, don't dig it up. Leave it right there, if you know, because man is very hard to find. Because when you're in our 50s, our 40s, and somehow no have any good ethics and know to speak and not attractive, somehow we out of place and all inside of something, the man hard to find. And especially the woman when they establish you have to work paycheck to paycheck. Some man don't want to know. They want somebody who they can use and somebody who they can work with. So when you're not having a man out, stop worrying, tap search up phone and stop questioning them, because the man there is 2 and 3 man too. And no man nowadays. Me I tell you. Because me find myself late in a life, I pay a man when me I talk to, we have somebody already. I mean I take back no talk. I mean I want that for myself. That's why I put my foot down. I said, listen, see that me on the highway. No, me I pick it because that is what it is. The man out there. And them not afraid, and the woman them feel like say the man not born. Them know say woman not born, know say what not do. So all not to go do phone look a born too. Yeah, born for born. As long as you don't baptize the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost, you don't go born them back. Born their ass back, right there, so. Born for born. That is it. Born for born and cheese. As long as you don't in the Lord. And first of all, someone who not supposed to marry to nobody, I don't married. If you don't have a man, I will not a Christian, I realize there's a lot of man lately when I speak to. Them say them woman are Christian. Well, you don't have a race problem. You don't have a problem. You don't have a problem because you cannot, uneven hook is not going to work. It's not going to work because you can't be a Christian of a Ruralian man we go to a party. You understand? You cannot get him to go to church. Because nowadays, like the Christians, they are on Facebook giving the most trouble. Because when I look on the app them, and look at the pictures them of people me see with and catch off of them head and in a church a usher. And them come up here and tell me so bad man I'm grateful. Yeah. They are the one that's coming up here tell me bad man I'm grateful. So me I tell you say man Russian. So if you don't want to go search, go and go search. Go and go search. Go and go search and see what you're going to get. We're not going to be lonely. They're going to end up leaving. Because when you start search and them start get nine. And not even that you can find one good woman with a good piece of coochie. I tell you. Yes, don't even have to find a woman. We have a good piece of coochie and know if you talk to them and love them up. Them go and left you know. Because these men nowadays. Yes, these man, this don't have nothing to do with no who, every who of them take a bush. Because me have my hoe. Long time. And me never find a raw stick. And a long time me look for a stick and me can't find a good stick. I pay a bamboo, me I find a hollow. Me never find a pimento. I don't find no solid wood. Keep steady. So now come tell me nothing with the foolishness about every who of them take a bush. Then if every who of them take a bush, why is it that we so much of us are single? Why so much of us are going out by ourselves? Not a raw thing go. He said knock on the door shall be open and seek and you shall find. So that is it. You don't need to come out of the philosophy. Every tick of them war bush. If you're not got Ross bush, baby turn on the light. If you got chop down the right piece of wood and look it, all the bubble cloth you're going to find it. How are you going to find it if you match up with your piece of wood? When your piece of Ross will not eat and work good. Huh? How are you going to find it? And you have to search until you find the right piece of tick. What kind of Ross bush na bush to the America? Keep that to Jamaica old fashioned day. That's why the woman them at Jamaica, them stick to the Ross man them. Or when them bond them with the same woman in the community. The woman them back in the days, they were very wise. They were very wise. Make them go and go get pretty with other woman out there. And then keep them man said we because them never have nowhere to go. Them don't have no money. Them can't spell Ross rat. So when them left the man for the man to provide for them. That is the reason why the Jamaica man them back in the days are power over the woman them. You see the woman they going away? Did your Ross mama go anywhere? Your mama never gone away. Your mama turn right there and take the bun. It is me there. You wanna rent him like I rent a Ross dread. Rent him with no crutch. I wanna rent him with the sweet bickle. And rent him with the children them. Yes. God know how to that. Me sorry if you say. Yes, so we know I play the game. Want to put the foot down. Demand it. This new year coming, demand that ring. Is it that me? Or is it that tell him say that me or the highway? Tell the man say it's time to put the ring on the finger. You cannot go one more year. Make the man propose soon. 15, 20 years, 3, 4, 5 pitney. And no ring? You can't get a quote also get married? Come on. Look at it. Come on, ladies. Don't everybody want to put a little pretty dress? Don't everybody want to have a little ring by your finger with God honor? Instead of we are walk around and give you a free pussy? Eh? A free way give a pussy for you know without nothing, you know, because nothing happen none. If a man don't left for a little will, the family can come and creep and go about their business. So man, if you don't know that we do man, write a will. So if anything happen to you, because them the time the papa, the brother, the sister, them can come and say, it's my brother. I want to end up with nothing. And then the kids, them a little pitney now, them have to say, okay, go to the kids them now. The kids them have to wait until they reach 18 years old before they can get the money. When you have to suffer and start from scratch. Huh? Because the family are coming in and like, my brother this. Because some of the man them have them asset out there and share with other family members and I tell you now. So now we are time enough to start dig up and search honey. Yes, me dear, we have to start dig up and search. Oh no, 2024 me have come out to come talk to you now. Oh no, me I tell you, me I encourage them to left them. Yes, me dear. What's up, Sean? Yes. Me I tell you to go left them. Me I encourage them to left the man when I'm married to you. Me not ask you now. Because anything happen to you, don't even talk about if you have one little asset a yard with the whole of you know. The family come and the brother, them is my brother house. All when you put 90% of the money, they will take it. All when you put 90%, you need will. You need a piece of documentation in case anything happen. Man, you must secure your woman. You can't get pussy 15 years straight and 25, 30 years straight. You can't put ring on finger. And then when the family, the brother, come beat up the woman out of the house where they work hard for. And send God Jamaica go make it. Cannot work. Come on, hurry up. It cannot work. You understand? It won't work. You know, the time up on social media, of course, Marcia, you must think about the future. Because death It's always around the corner. You don't know when, you don't know how, you don't know the minute and time and hour. And these things are very important to secure something for the children. You understand? To secure something for our children. I see where I have acquaintances in Jamaica and she was upset about it. I think that's what brought her into depressions. Yeah, because her mother was very established. Very, very established. And I take up one little man there. Hold on there, me have to concentrate, hold on. Take up one little man. And when he take up a little man, I'm married to the man. In less than time, she's sick and dead. The man creep with everything. You know, so me I forgot. The man creep with everything. Oh, me I reach up so yet. Hold on there, it kinda then always a place that's so dark. Me see the light. Hold on, me they far from this man. You know what? Make me go up front way. Make me go up front way. Because I get it that way there. Make me go up front way. Because this area not gonna work here. And when the woman dead, and take away everything, and the woman and must never have no pitney and left nothing for the woman 13-year-old son. Because of that, he sent the daughter into depression. The woman rich. And take away the money and go marry to other woman fast. Yes. Married to other woman fast and left nothing dry and my to the little boy. Nothing for the little boy. I'm back where I should have come in there, but it's alright. Yes, what may I say? That is what it is. So we have to be careful. Well, me Marcia, this next year me a work on encourage, you know. No ring. Make them start sleeping in one bed. Make them start cook them one food and wash them one clothes. Or then go about them business. And you can't then go out for child support if you're not picking with them. So it's either you have to choose the honor of God or you have to choose the dicky. You understand? Nothing. It's either you have to choose the word of God or you have to go choose the dicky. So which one do you want? Let me go empty a truck here. It's going to be one piece of mix right now. Just waste my time. There is no cart. I can't find no cart nowhere to put the things them on. And I am not going to be in there walking around by myself. In this dark place, yeah. Nope.